In this training video, we'll be going over contacting us. So in the event you needed to contact us with a question or some type of a problem, it's very easy to do. You'll always have the Contact Us button right here on the right sidebar, and you can just click on that button right there. And this is where you'll start a new ticket. This is how you start it. Click on that. Enter your title, whatever the problem's title is, or suggestion for that matter, and click on your category, if it's a suggestion or just a support question, and your priority, low, medium, or high. And this is a toolbar that you can work with if you need it, but this is where you would type in a more detailed letter. So you could really explain to us what's going on, and we will definitely respond. Once that's all done, you would click on Submit, and that would be sent to us automatically. And that's all you have to do on this. It's very helpful for us and helpful for you. To your success, and thank you for watching.